Chris and Tiffany here with High Seas Cruising, and we are here in Cozumel, Mexico. Now, I know it was our intention that when we got here to Cozumel, we were going to do a live video. But I'm going to be honest with y'all, the internet here on the Ruby Princess is just god awful. There's no way we can go live without it being all blocky and blotchy, and you guys would have a poor, terrible experience if we tried that. So I thought we'd just give you guys a quick little video. As you guys can probably see behind me, there she is. You got the Carnival Pride is behind us. You can see right up the cruise dock right there. So yep, we are here in Cozumel, Mexico. And so far, everything on this cruise is going really, really good.
Yes.
What do you think?
I
mean, we had a blast in Cozumel today.
Oh, we always do.
That's true. We always do, but we just had a really good time today. We kind of explored off, found areas that we had never even seen before in places we've been before. That's what makes it even crazier.
Yes.
It's just discovering new stuff. We stopped, we had lunch. Of course, they filled us full of tequila.
Yes. We told Roberto we would be back, and we came back and specifically asked for him, so he made sure we did a tequila shot before we left.
Yeah, so it's a good day and definitely feeling good. I mean, we're already back on the ship. Definitely time to do a little resting, relaxing, or anything like that. We just want to let everybody know that it is going really good here on the Ruby Princess. We're filming a ton of stuff for you guys, and once we get back home, we'll have it there to share.
Yes.
What else, baby? Anything else?
Just no.
No. I said, I know this is not as good as a live, but if you guys have any questions, comments, anything like that, definitely go ahead and put them below. We'll answer everybody's stuff. And like I said, I would rather do this live, but unfortunately, the internet is just not going to cooperate with us today. So bad internet, unfortunately, means to these types of videos. So hopefully it'll be better at least on the next cruise. Fingers crossed. But the Ruby Princess, internet-wise, yeah, not so good.
It might be better tomorrow.
Okay, we'll go with that.
Gotta think positive.
Okay, yeah, so Tiffany believes that tomorrow the internet will improve.
Yes.
All right, but this is just a quick check-in. I hope you guys have enjoyed this. If you have, do me a favor and hit that like button. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit subscribe. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow. Let you know anytime we put out a new video. Hope everyone out there is having a really great day, especially if you're cruising like we are. And like always,
we'll see you on the high seas.
Absolutely. Y'all have a great day.